This is a private pond, and he's letting Matthew take a look and see if we can find some salamanders. Oh my goodness! Don't drop him. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, he's big. He's not full grown. He's huge. Oh no, don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall. It's a tiger salamander?
He absolutely is.
Put him in the net so he can't get away. Bring it up here, Betty. Bring it. Don't drop it. Don't pull him out.
Well.
You okay? That's slippery mud.
Let's find out if he's a biter.
And Neo, ask Daddy, okay, before you pet him. So this is the salamander that Big Matthew caught. And from what he is saying, he's not even full grown.
No, they get...
And it was in this private pond here that Ryan owns. And he let Matthew go diving in there.
That is just awesome.
Oh, he is so pretty. I'm gonna hold him. He's got a crazy looking tail.
He's like a giant tadpole.
He really kind of is, yeah.
He was so big, I thought he was a catfish. He's about 13 inches.
His tail is curved,
Mom,
too.
that's 13 inches right there.
Let's see. He's just a baby.
Oh, I'm gonna so pet you. There's his little feet. He has some decent little claws.
Does he have claws?
He has claws?
Like, either that or his fingers are really sharp, but those feel like little, very dull claws, don't they?
He's got little nubbies on him, that's for sure.
He's cute.
Wow.
He's extremely... He is really big. You caught yourself a... There's the picture. Look at him. Oh, I'm gonna so hold him. I need...
Oh, wow.
This is always what I wanted to catch.
Have to get
this...
All right, here we go. We're gonna let Mr. Salamander go.
Guys, we're letting him go now, okay? Yeah.
Yep, we're letting him go, okay?
Neil,
He's gonna be free.
we're letting him go. Okay, we're letting Mr. Salamander go. It was really cool catching him. I gotta get him on video here. I gotta get past you so I can see. Yeah, we're...
Okay.
Sorry, buddy.
There we go.
Letting him go. There he goes.